Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to log in to your Validus crypto account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now at the address bar, type in validuslogin.com and click on enter. After that, you will be directed to official homepage of Validus crypto. At the center of the screen, you can see a login button. Click on it. Then you will be directed to a login page where you need to type in a valid username which is associated with your Validus crypto account, and then type in a password on this field here. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on forget password link and follow the procedures to recover it. Now you need to type in the captcha by taking reference of this image here. If the image is too hard for you to understand, you can click on refresh captcha link and the captcha will be regenerated. Now click on login button to log into your Validus crypto account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.